Well, all good things must come to an end. We're moving. Today's the day we're moving. As I was saying, I don't really want to leave this site, but it's only available for 5 more days. We have a nice site here between a coach and another coach over there, and another coach right here. All really big coaches. So we're blocked from the wind and had a nice spot in the shade. But we're going to take our long drive over to our new site. Moving on up. Look, it's grass. Coming to you from our new campsite here in the same park in Las Vegas. Difference is this one's full sun. And it has grass and a picnic table. How do we know we like the entire park if you don't try different sites out? So, got the real hard worker working away on the next edit. Here in the sunshine. It's tan time! Look at all the shotgun shells. America! We're back! Oh. We're back to conquer what is known as Mother Nature's
StairMaster?
StairMaster? Stepmaster? Stair climber? Something like that. It's a long ways up. 3.8 miles or something. Again, all something like that. Hopefully we'll get a sick view of the strip and maybe even the Air Force Base. So let's go. Not far into it. It doesn't look that steep, but it's pretty steep.
Calf muscles are burning.
Yeah, mine too. There's a truck. Oh, there's that hole. Or that cave. It's pretty cute. Update, nowhere even close to the top of the mountain. We're about, I would guess, a quarter of the way. Already struggling. We've reached our first plateau here. Oh my God, look at the switchbacks. The official halfway point.
We still have a long way to go.
You heard her, let's call it the official halfway point. Classic car alert. $20 if you can name it. Comments below. We're not professionally trained hikers or anything. We're just two crazy people that wanted to try and do this. My calf muscles are burning. How you doing, honey? Yep, this is a bad idea. If you're thinking about taking this hike, listen to your inner self. Don't take this hike. It's too steep. Unless you're trained or do workouts and such or are used to this, don't do this. This is crazy. We're just about there though. Look how close we are. Look how close we are. Here we are at our first set of switchbacks. Oh my God. All right, we reached our second set of switchbacks. We are damn near the top. We've got to be close now. Look at the view. That's the roadway down there. Oh, holy shit. I can see my truck from here. There it is. Ooh, it's a long way. Oh my God, I think we're close. I think this is the final switchback. Don't quote me on it. This has got to be it. The wind's picking up. I've got to be cresting the top of this mountain. Dilly Hat secure. Oh, that's the third peak way over there. We're not going over there today, folks. The whole point was just to get to this peak. Holy shnikes. Wow. All right, it's freaking windy up here. Not what I thought. I thought we would overlook Las Vegas. Oh, Cheryl's gonna be so disappointed. So technically, in order to complete this hike, if you can even hear me, you have to go back down again and all the way up this and more switchbacks all the way up there. So if you can't tell, we're done. I can see my truck from here!
What a view. Where's that? No.
Is that our search and rescue plane?
Oh, over here. Save me.
Take a picture. No. No, take a picture. This is totally worth videoing. We moved to the site because Cheryl wants grass. Look. Oh my God. How am I getting wet over here? We're out cooking dinner. Fountain's on. Only us.